don't know who wrote the book of Judges. What we do know is that after Joshua died, the people fell flat because they lacked knowledge, wisdom, and a willingness to obey God. Joshua chapter 2 verses 10 through 11 says they didn't know about the things God had done for them during the 40 years of the wandering, and that they embraced sin and evil and did whatever they wanted. It was not until things went from bad to worse that they asked God to rescue them, which He did by sending a judge to get them back on track. Throughout Judges, the same pattern repeats itself time and time again. The Israelites choose sin or evil over God, are bullied and defeated by an enemy, beg God to rescue them, which He does sooner or later, obey God temporarily, that is until they get tired of being good, and start the cycle all over again. There's much to learn about human behavior, God's grace, and our need for Him in the book of Judges.